Good day. Today I am going to show my own examples in finding the area of parallelogram, acute triangle, right triangle, and obtuse triangle. Let us first find the area of parallelogram. Example A. A parallelogram ABCD has a base of 10 cm, height of 5 cm, and A of 8 cm. Find the area of parallelogram and its perimeter. So we have here the illustration of the parallelogram. Let us first find its perimeter. The formula of perimeter is equals to 2 times A plus B. We have here the value of A and B, which is 8 and 10. So 2 times 8 plus 10, that is 2 times 18. And therefore the perimeter of this parallelogram is equals to 36 cm. Let us now find the area of this parallelogram. So if we're going to move this triangle on the other side, we can form a rectangle, and the area of rectangle is equals to base times height. So therefore, in finding its parallelogram, the area is also base times height. So we have here our base is equals to 10 cm and our height is 5 cm. So we're going to multiply the base and the height, and we've got 50 cm squared. So therefore, the area of this parallelogram is 50 cm squared. Let us move on to our example B. Our example B is an acute isosceles triangle. So we have here the illustration of the acute isosceles triangle. And the formula in finding an acute triangle is equals to area is equals to 1/2 times base times height. So as we can see in the illustration above, there is no given height. So we're going to find first the height of this triangle. So in finding its height, we're going to use Pythagorean theorem. So that is a squared plus b squared is equals to c squared. And remember that there is 20 inches, so therefore the other side is 10 inches and the other side is 10 inches. So the base is 10 and the hypotenuse is 12. So that is a squared plus 10 squared is equals to 12 squared. A squared plus 100 is equals to 144. A squared is equals to 144 minus 100, that is 44. The square root of a squared is equal to square root of 44, and that is equals to a is equals to 2 square root of 11. So therefore the height of this acute isosceles triangle is equals to 2 square root of 11. So we have now the value of height and we have now the base. So we can now find its area. So that is area is equals to 1/2 times 20 times 2 square root of 11. And that is equals to 20 square root of 11 inches squared, or in decimal value we have 66.33 inches squared. Let us move on to our example C, that is finding the area of right triangle. So in the illustration, we have the base, which is equals to 1/2 times base times height. Area is equals to 1/2 times 25 centimeters times 15 centimeters, and that is equals to 187.5 centimeters squared. So that is the area of this right triangle. So our last example is example D, that is finding the area of an obtuse triangle. So in the illustration, we have 120 degrees Celsius. We have the base, which is 10 inches, and the height, which is 5 inches. So area is equals to 1/2 times base times height. 1/2 times 10 inches times 5 inches is equals to 25 inches squared. So therefore, the area of this obtuse triangle is equals to 25 inches squared. And that ends for this video in showing my own examples in finding the area of parallelogram, acute triangle, right triangle, and obtuse triangle.